PRC is one of the most indispensable solution. This is a new groundbreaking technology that we use to communicate with all the electrical equipment, get most of the data, and all the data that we collect from the power grid system is called the data acquisition. That's why we build the simulation by using the data into the smart grid system, and those real applications also apply with the smart grid system. So the process of the data that we collect from the power grid system are really essential for the data analytics. So in the near future, we also can use those kind of data to predict what will happen on the power grid system to reduce the outages, blackouts, and something happen on the power grid system as well to make the power grid system more reliable and sustainable. That's the process that we can analyze the data. So the data is really essential for the power grid system, for the sustainability system for the power grid. So how do you substantiate a solid return on investment and other benefit for the EDL from the SIMA smart grid adoption? The SIMA smart grid is for the developing country, where we face with the constrained budget that we need to use the Internet of Things to communicate with the existing devices. Without replacing the existing devices, we can accumulate more data, we can analyze the data, and compared to other smart grid system and standard of communication that we have used over a couple of decades ago, it generates more benefit based on the return on investment. Also, you can make a solid return on investment by implementing the Internet of Things. It's just plug and play, get all the data, and also you can analyze the data.